So it's mid-February and re-enrollment deadlines are here. Your school just sent that email asking for a 5% deposit and you're looking at 2026 fee schedule that makes your eyes water. Elite schools won't tell you quality is not a price tag. If you think you have to fork over $100K a year to get world-class British education in this city, you are being scammed by a marble lobby. That is a luxury choice, not an academic requirement. Today, we're doing a British school value arbitrage. We're finding the hidden gems, the schools that focus 100% on the classroom and 0% on the fluff. I've crunched the data for upcoming 2026-27 cycle so you can stop stressing about the bill and start focusing on the results. Let's get into it. To find Value King here in Dubai, you have to ignore the marketing brochures and the fancy Olympic-sized swimming pools your kid might use maybe once a week. We're looking for the rating gap, schools that are rated good, very good, or even outstanding, but with school fees that don't require a second mortgage. While the Tier 1 schools are busy justifying their annual hikes, these schools that I'm going to introduce to you today offer an efficiency arbitrage. They hire veteran teachers, they follow the national curriculum for England, but they skip the 400-seat auditorium and the valet parking. Rather, they spend their budget on learning, not luxury. What are the top 4 hidden value picks for 2026? Number 1, DESC. This is the holy grail of Dubai education. This one is the most expensive one on the list today. Their FS1 fee is at $43,000. They are non-profit, which means there are no shareholders to pay. Every dirham goes back into the teachers and the school. You get the highest possible rating in the city, the outstanding rating, for 40% less than for-profit schools charging $75K or more for the same year. Another attractive thing about DESC is that DESC is the primary feeder school into DESC, Dubai English-Speaking College in Academic City. DESC is arguably one of the best secondary schools here in the UAE, and getting into DESC at secondary is really, really difficult. So getting into DESC now is your golden ticket to an elite secondary education later without having to pay the elite price tag today. This one is a real winner. Our pick number 2 is the Winchester School in Jebel Ali. It is an absolute price floor for quality. They are rated very good and their FS1 fee is around $15,500. It's the only very good school in the city that is cheaper than many schools rated just acceptable. If you are on a strict budget but refuse to compromise on the British curriculum, then this one is your winner. Pick number 3 for today is GEMS Founder School in the prime location of Al Barsha. This one is gold standard for value at scale. It is rated very good and their FS1 fee is right around $26,000. Think of this one as the Costco of British schools. Yes, it's true, it's very busy, the campus is large, but you are getting a Tier 1 curriculum at a wholesale price. It's located in a prime location of Al Barsha, near neighboring schools that charge double or triple this price. And pick number 4 for today is Al Salam Community School. This one is a total gem for elite results. They're rated good, but they have many very good features within the school. Their FS1 fee is around 24,500 dirhams. The interesting thing is their demographics. Unlike some community schools that lean towards one nationality, Al Salam is actually a massive melting pot. It is incredibly popular with Europeans, Asians, and Arab expats who want high, trustworthy academic standards without the super fancy Jumeirah price tag. They have one of the strongest track records in the city for GCSE and A-level results. So you're paying 1/3 of what the premium schools charge for exactly the same exam papers. So don't be a sticker price amateur. Calculate the TCO, the total cost of ownership. 1. The commute tax. If you live in Dubai Hills but you have a school in Al Twar, you'll spend that 20K savings on gas, salik, and your own sanity. If the commute is over 30 minutes in the morning, the arbitrage is easily gone, so probably not worth it. 2. The sibling multiplier. This one is the February cheat code. Schools like Winchester and Salam, they offer a siblings discount that range from 15 to 25%. This is huge. For those of you like me, I have 3 kids. So this is where the math really changes. When you multiply that rating gap saving by 3, you're not just saving a few dirhams, you're saving enough to fund probably a whole year's worth of tuition. In a city that is this expensive, the good school can often become a great financial move for a larger family. So here is your action plan. 1. Before you pay that deposit today, check the 2026-27 KHDA fee fact sheet. It's a 1-page PDF document that lists every mandatory cost, including uniforms and buses and things like this. Ignore the fancy lobby and look at the student works on the walls. That's where you see real ratings. Remember, British fees almost triple by year 13. So don't forget to map out the 10-year cost before you sign that first check. So go find your rating gap and keep that 30K in your savings account. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.